Madison! Are you playing with the dog? Yeah? Are you playing with Honey? Oh, my phone's ringing. Ow! You just ran me over! That's very nice. Hello? I don't care. What is this? Is there raspberry? Is there raspberry ice cream? Oh, I want iced tea. Yeah. Okay. Ready. Madison! Where are you going? Madison! 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 Come here! Madison, come over here. Come over here. Come see me. Come see me. Oh, you got mum all over the floor. Gross. Oops. Come here. I'm stuck on the chair. Ah! There comes the baby. Oh! There she goes. Where are you going? You see that kitty? Oh, my Bobby pillow here. She's not there. Oh, there she goes. She's gonna go get him. You gonna go get him? Why don't you come over here? We're watching Sam and Jay and Mr. Phoenix. Aren't we? Yeah. Oh, there she goes. You gonna go? Wait. Where you going, dog? You gonna say bye? She wants nothing to do with this. She just wants to eat her blanket. You say bye, honey? Honey? You say bye? Kisses. Kisses. Snuggle. Oh no. I have to go get her before she eats the TV cords.